What up, nerds? It's Jason here from Custom Cans, and as you may or may not be aware, YouTube is like really into shorts at the moment, so we're trying to find some interesting and educational stuff we can do in a minute. And I was thinking, do you reckon it's possible to mod a pair of headphones in a minute? Maybe. Basically, I think out of the kits that we do here, the Sennheiser HD600 or 6xx seems to be the one that I reckon you could mod the quickest. So I'm going to challenge our young Padawan, James, to see if this is possible. James, my young Padawan, we need a short video for YouTube, Facebook, that kind of thing, so 1 minute maximum. Now then you have a set of drop 6xx's there, one of our mass loading and damping kits, and a balance cable. I know a normal human being could do it in maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Can you do it in 60 seconds?
You never know, but I'm willing to break a pair trying.
I prefer you didn't, as I've got to pay for it. But yes, yes, let's see if you can fully upgrade a pair of 6xx's. On your marks. Get set. Go! Go, my son. You can do it. You can mod those headphones.
Oh, man.
How many seconds are we down to now? 47 seconds. So you've got like 30 seconds per side. Loads of time. Okay, you want to have that back in together in like another second.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
You're on the back straight now. You've got 20 seconds left. A minute is much shorter than you realise.
Yeah. I'm suddenly realising that.
See, I was counting seconds, thinking like a minute's actually it's quite a long time.
Wrong side. That's a no.
The answer is no.
There we go.
No, keep going. We still need to make this video. We'll just have to speed it up in post. No one will know. No one will know.
There we are.
Boom. What was that? Yeah, it's like a minute and a half. It's not bad. It's not bad. Well done, James. So we gave it a go. It was pretty close. I think like a minute and a half. He could have done it. So I think we're gonna have to cheat a bit, maybe speed it up a bit in post. I don't know, but it gives you an idea. You know, like modding headphones doesn't take long. It's not too hard. You can do it. You can do it quickly. Just maybe not in a minute. Anyway, that was interesting to try, and I'll see you guys again.